Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Guruji Education Wala. Today, we are going to learn the COUNTIF function in Excel. The basic use of COUNTIF function is that it will count the number of cells that will fulfill a specified condition or a given criteria. Whatever might be the condition, those cells are fulfill that condition, it will be get counted. Okay. So today we have given the employee data. In this employee data, we have the employee names and their respective salaries. Those they are getting from the company. Okay, so here we are going to count such type of employees, those who are getting 50 or more than 50,000 salary. Okay, so formula is given over here of the countif function. Countif, in the bracket you have to maybe mention given range, then comma, and then criteria. Please note that this criteria you have to be mentioned in double quotes. Okay, whatever it may be. So the use we have seen, it will count the number of cells in a range that meet a specified condition. Okay. So here condition is that whatever maybe the employees are there, we have to count them, those who are getting more than or more than 50,000 salary. Okay. So we are going to mention the formula over here is equal to count if. Okay. Then into the bracket, we have to mention the range. The range is given over here E10 to E14, then comma, then what is the specified condition that we want to count the number of employees, those who are getting 50,000 salary or more than that. So I have mentioned you that you have to put that criteria into a double quotes greater than equal to 50,000. Okay, so those cells meet this criteria, those are getting counted. So bracket complete. Now, if manually you are going to perform this operation, you can find it out that three employees are there, those who are getting 50,000 or more than 50,000 salary. Okay, so this function should return 3. So the output is 3. Okay, if you are going to find out more than uh, 60,000 salary employees, okay, 60 or 60,000 employees, so number will getting changed. Only one employee is there. Okay. So here again we have to be changed into the formula that is greater than equal to 60,000. So you will get 1. So this is the simple COUNTIF formula. You can apply this formula on different types of columns according to a different criteria. I hope you like my video and you understand this COUNTIF function. If you like my video, and please share it and do subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.